Hey guys, welcome back. I've been out from the market, but today we'll be reviewing the Chicco Kidfit Zip Air Plus. My child has now, he turned 5 in February, and he's been asking for a booster seat now since a while now, and I thought this would be a good upgrade. I checked a lot of reviews, and plus we were going on a trip to North Carolina, almost about 400 miles. So I thought that something that could cover that could give his foot some rest, is comfortable, I think would be a good idea. So what we'll be doing is we will be reviewing the unboxing. So we'll just unbox the entire car seat, see how difficult it is to assemble, and then what I plan to do is I will be fitting this in my car. So that's an SUV. It's a crossover, and we'll see how that fits first in that, and then we'll also try to fit this in a sedan. That will also give you guys an idea as to how big this is, and how uncomfortable things could be if there are a couple of car seats already in there. So let's do that. I'm doing the traditional unboxing. I don't like unboxing a lot, honestly. It sometimes makes me curious as to why it's packed that way, but it's open now. What I've heard is that things come out of the box pretty much assembled because there are no straps or anything, so we don't expect a lot of things to be there. These are the side handles. Then we got this is a snack tray, as they call it. Looks decent quality. This is the 2 cup holders. So they come with 2 cup holders, so you can put a snack tray or a cup holder. I'm assuming that's the case. I'm not sure. Then this is the actual seat it comes with, and there is nothing else in the box. So that's there. Okay, let's take this cushioning off. Tougher than expected. I don't want to tear it off. I want to. Okay, so this is the back. There's a zip, as I expected here, that we can open. How difficult is it opening? Not that difficult. And this is the cushioning on that. Let's see, close. Pretty good. So we can take this cover off if we want. This is actually super soft. Really nice. I like it. Nice. So this is the back. Then we got the front. This is the front. Ooh, nice. So this goes all the way down till here. So he can rest his feet here. This is at the back. Okay, nice. And we can, how difficult is this to fit in this? We'll have to figure this out. Okay. I don't think it should be that difficult. Okay, so we have these things at the back, the straps, so we can lock it into. We have this, and then I'm assuming this will go in this. Ooh, nice. So this is now fit. Oh, is there a recline position in this? I'm not sure. I didn't know if there was. So this is now fit. It looks decent quality. The backs are there. This is there. So I would not open these up right now. I would want my son to open it. I want him to explore and stuff, so I'll let him open it. But this is the unboxing. Pretty much everything that came in was like this, and then we have the option to adjust the height and everything, right? So that should be it. And next up, we'll be going in our car. I'll let my kid assemble this. Once he has assembled it, then I will fit this in the car, probably with him later in the evening today, and show you how it looks in the car. Bye.